elimination method. We need the knowledge here. Now, in elimination method, all you need to do is once you are given the equation like that of a solution method, you number the equation. After numbering the equation, you are going to make the coefficient the same. After making the coefficient the same, the next thing you do is what? You eliminate. How do you eliminate? You are going to eliminate your equations. You must make sure that the signs, if the signs are the same, you must make sure that you subtract the two equations. That is, you subtract the two equations. But if the signs are different, you are going to add the two equations. Please do not forget, let me come again. You eliminate by adding the two equations together if the signs are opposite. That is plus and minus, you add. But if the signs are the same, minus minus or plus plus, you are going to what? Subtract in order to carry out your what? Elimination. That is it. So elimination procedure involve three things. One, you number the what? Equation. Two, you make sure that the coefficients of the equations are the same. Three, you eliminate. That is it. So let us take a look at an example. Let us take a look at a question that will help us to emphasize more on this. All right. Example. Solve the pairs of equation for x and y respectively. Pairs of equation for x and y respectively. And the question is 3x raised to the power minus 1 minus 4y raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 5. And then we have 2x raised to the power minus 1 plus 3y raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 7. So these are the two equations. Equals to 7. These are the two equations. Alright. Now what you need to do is, here is, like I told you earlier on, number the equation. So we have 3x raised to the power minus 1 minus 4y raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 5. This one is equation 1. Then we have 2x raised to the power minus 1 plus 3y raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 7. This is equation 2. So having done that, the next thing is, but as far as this question is concerned, this question is a special question because as you can see, the variables here, they are having negative power. So you have to solve them differently. You have to tackle them by assuming something for the different what? Variable x and y. Since s is what? S is raised to the power minus 1, you are going to let s to be equals to what? S raised to the power minus 1 to be a, and y raised to the power minus 1 to be b. So that is that. Then you put the value of this now, s is equal to this in the what? Original equation. Y raised to the power minus 1 is equal to b in the original what? Equation. So let us see what we are going to get. So that will also produce another set of equation, which is 3. We said this one is a, so it's 3a minus 4b is equals to what? 5. Equation 3. And we say we have 2a plus 3b is equals to 7. Equation 4. So it is this one that we are going to work with because this one is very easy. As you can see, the power here is 1, it's not minus 1. So it's very simple and straightforward. So let us work with this one now. So we are going to make the coefficient now. Most especially, I have interest in the second part. So that is second term, not this and this. I want to make this and this equal. How do I do that? In order to make this and this equal, I'm going to multiply the coefficient of this one by this what? Equation, and the coefficient of this one by this equation. So by so doing, they will have the same what? Coefficient. So let us quickly do that. That is, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 3. So 3 multiplied by equation 1, multiplied by what? Equation 1. Let's see what it's going to give me. And 4 multiplied by equation 2. That is 3 multiplied by equation 3. Okay, thank you. Multiplied by equation 3. And 4 multiplied by what? Equation what? 4. So let us quickly do that. Now, 3 times 3 is 9. 9a. 3 times minus 4b is minus 12b. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. 4 times 2a is equals to 8a plus 4 times 3b is equals to 4 times 3b is equals to what? 12b, and 4 times 7 is equals to what? 28. So this is our equation 5, and this is our equation what? 6. All right. As you can see, they have the same what? Coefficient now. We have minus 12b and plus 12b. So the coefficients are what? The same. So with this, we can now what? And the signs are plus and minus. The signs are output, like I told you earlier on. So now to eliminate, now the coefficients are what? The same. And they have different what? Signs. So you are going to what? Add the equation together. Add this and this together. 9 plus 8 is 17a. This and this will cancel, definitely. And 15 plus 28 is equals to what? 43. So from here, we have a to be equals to divide by 17. 43 divided by 17. So that is the value of what? A. So you are going to substitute a is equals to 43 over 17 in equation, okay, in equation 3. Let me use equation 3 here. In equation what? 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is what? 3a minus 4b is equals to 5. 3a minus 4b is equals to what? 5. So we are having 3. Instead of writing a now, we are writing what? 43 over 17 minus 4b is equals to what? 5. So from here, let us quickly multiply 3 and 43 together. 3 times 43, that should be 129. 3 times 43 should be 129. If you are not too sure, you can do it this way. 3 times 43. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is what? 12. That is 129. So we are having 129 over 17 minus 4b is equals to 5. Look for the LCM. The LCM here is what? 17. 17 divided by 17 is 1. 1 times 129 is 129. Minus 17 divided by 1 is 17. 17 times what? 4. 7 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2, that is 6. So that is 68. 68b, that is 68, is equals to 5. So this is over the LCM. Now from here, we are still going to what? Cross multiply from simple mathematics. So this times this will give us what? 129 minus 68b is equals to 5 times 17. So again, 5 times 17. 5 times 17. 5 times 17. Put 5 here. 5 times 17. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3. That is 8. 85. So 5 times 17 is 85. So 129 minus 68b is equals to what? 85. So from here you collect the like terms. Let this one here and this one here. Just interchange number, let them come together. Number alphabets, let's go to the other side. So we have 129 minus 85 equals to 68b. Now you take away 129 from 85. Take away 129 from 85 minus 85. All right. 5 in 9, that is 4. Now this is 4. As you can see, 8 from 12 is 4. So we're having 44 is here, is equals to what? 68b. So in order to get b, divide both sides by what? By 68. So we have 44 divided by 68. Of course, 68 would cancel 68. So we have b. So from here, something can divide, which is okay, let's try 2. Let's try 2. 2 in 44 is 22. 2 in 68 is 34. 2 in 68 is what? 34. 2 can go again. 2 in 22 is 11, and 2 in 34 is 17. So we have 11 over 17 is equals to B. Therefore, B is equals to 11. Therefore, B is equals to 11 over 17. Good. Now, having done that, we have been able to get the value of what? A and B as our A is 43 over 17, while our B is 11 over 17. But remember, the question says solve for the pairs of what? X and Y. So we are solving for X and Y. So remember, we said our x raised to power minus 1 is equals to A. So therefore, what is the value of A? A is what? 43 over 17. Now, this one is something that's saying you have, sorry, let me demarcate this. So let me demarcate this so I will get this clearly. So this one is something that's saying you have 1 over s equals to 43 over 17. So our s will definitely give us 17 over 43. Are we together? And then we said y raised to power minus 1 is equals to b. So y minus 1 will be equals to, what's the value of b? Our b is 11 over 17. Our b is 11 over 17. So this is saying you have 1 over y equals to 11 over what? 17. If you cross multiply, then the value of your y will be what? 17 over 11. So the value of s and y are, our s is what? 17 over 43. 17 over 43. Y is what? 17 over 11. Thank you very much. I hope you really enjoy the solving. The question is somehow, it's not that direct, but we'll be able to tackle the question. We have gotten the value of s and y. As you can see, it's very simple. All you need to do is just follow the procedure. Yeah, it's a pure standard exam question, and you could come across it in your post-UTME, your WAEC, and your NECO exam. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think that is all about solving simultaneous equation using what? Elimination method. I will still give you, let's consider one more example. I still have one more example to tackle, so that you will get this particular method very well.